Exocrine gland. Glands that secrete substances onto an epithelial surface by way of a duct. Postprandial. During or relating to the period after dinner or lunch. Diabetes mellitus. Disease in which the body's ability to produce or respond to the hormone insulin is impaired. Islets of Langerhans. Groups of pancreatic cells secreting insulin and glucagon. Hemoglobin A1c, a form of hemoglobin that is bound to glucose. GH, growth hormone. GTT, glucose tolerance test. Insulin, hormone produced in the pancreas by islets of Langerhans. Glucagon, a hormone formed in the pancreas which promotes the breakdown of glycogen to glucose in the liver. Endocrine gland, a gland that secretes a substance, a hormone, into the bloodstream. Sebaceous gland, a small gland in the skin which secretes a lubricating oily matter into the hair follicles to lubricate skin and hair. Sudoriferous gland, sweat glands, dermis and epidermis. Dermis, beneath the epidermis, epidermis, outermost layer of the skin. Melanocyte, a mature melanin forming cell, especially in the skin. Melanin, dark brown to black pigment occurring in the hair, skin, and ends of the eye. It is responsible for tanning of skin exposed to sunlight. KOH, potassium hydroxide, autonomic nervous system, part of the nervous system responsible for control of the bodily functions not consciously directed, breathing, heartbeat, digestive processes. Somatic nervous system, the part of the peripheral nervous system associated with the voluntary control of body movements via skeletal muscles. Encephalitis, inflammation of the brain caused by infection or an allergic reaction. Meningitis, inflammation of brain and spinal cord membranes typically caused by an infection. Epilepsy, a disorder in which nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed, causing seizures. Neuralgia, a stabbing, burning, and often severe pain due to an irritated or damaged nerve. Myalgia, pain in a muscle or group of muscles. Striated muscle, muscles of this type are attached to the skeleton by tendons and are under voluntary control. CK, creatine kinase, enzyme expressed by various tissues and cell types. LDH, an enzyme found in almost all bodily tissues that plays a role in cellular respiration. Atrophy, physiological process of reabsorption and breakdown of tissues. Pituitary gland, part of the endocrine system. Its main function is to secrete hormones into your bloodstream. Hormone, chemical substance produced in the body that controls and regulates the activity of certain cells or organs.